1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon crushed star anise, 1/4 teaspoons ground fennel seed, 1/4 teaspoons freshly ground black pepper, 1/8 teaspoons ground cloves. One kilogram peaches peeled, deseeded, and sliced. Half cup 100 grams brown sugar tightly packed. One cup 237 milliliters water. Cook until brown sugar is dissolved. Half teaspoon spice mix. 1 teaspoon lemon zest. Simmer for 2 minutes and turn off the heat. One-third cup 80 milliliters oil. 1 plus 3/4 cups 165 grams oat flour. 1 tablespoon baking powder. 1 cup 200 grams brown sugar tightly packed. Half teaspoon salt. 1 plus half cups 355 milliliters almond milk. Subscribe and please share this video. Preheated oven 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees centigrade, bake for 50 minutes.